Got a 2025 Mustang GT convertible. This thing's a sweet, sweet ride. We got a Borla S-Type going on there. It does have valves on the back. This is the valve controlled system. Borla makes two options, one with valves, one without. This is the one with the valves. This one does come with carbon fiber tips, which is pretty sweet. Let me show you these things real quick. Sheesh. Pretty pimp. Sick looking tips. Put these back in there real quick. It does come with the valves, so you can control it from the inside. You have track mode, sport mode. The system did come with a switch fire X pipe. Didn't have the midsection, so we're doing it for the customer. The X pipe to the back, to the axle back. And you see Matt, he's mocking everything up right now. Give him a second. I'm going to show you what that switch path X pipe looks like. So this is a special switch fire X pipe equalization system that Borla sells. As you can see, it's not the regular X pipe. It does have a couple crossover loop-de-loop pipes, a little roller coaster braided pipe right here, which is pretty sweet. Now, usually the system does come with the back end. The customer did not order it, so we're making it from their back and installing the S-types in the back. Like I said, this is the S-types with the valves, and all we gotta do is plug this baby in, and you have valve control on there. We got the Borla S-Type installed, carbon fiber tips, looking pretty sweet. As you guys can see, the customer did put some carbon fiber fender flares on there. Pretty sweet. Not my style, but it does match the tips. Looks pretty cool. Car's nice and gray, black. Pretty sweet color scheme. The new Mustangs look pretty damn sweet. And it's got a side skirt kit on it. And the carbon fibers, like I said. You guys notice the carbon fiber. Sheesh. Carbon fibers, wide bodies on there. Looking pretty sweet. So yeah, brand new Mustang 5.0. It's got the Borla S-Type on there, switch path, switch fire, X pipe, whatever you want to call it. That's by Borla. We did some midsections to connect everything up. And then, as you can see, the new Mustang looks pretty sweet, especially convertible. A little bit of drop, some nice wheels on it. Got the gray and black scheme going. Carbon fiber pretty much everywhere you can get it. And yeah, it looks like it even has a new front end. Got these cool little lights right here. This guy likes it. Hell yeah, he likes it. So, even more carbon fiber on the inside. Got these carbon fiber pillars over here. I'm not even sure what that is. But yeah, pretty sweet 5.0. This is the brand new model, 2025. Like I said, Borla Attack. Looks like he's got some Steedo wheels on there. I think it looks pretty sweet, man. The convertible does have a nice little stance to it. Dropped. And, you know, can't get much better than a Borla Attack system, baby.